Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Vita Sana, or Vita Sana, potato gnocchi, and this is neat. I've had gnocchi once and I really liked it, and I was surprised that you could actually just buy it in the store. I wasn't sure you can actually just buy it in the store, and it comes in a package like this. So, and this was really inexpensive, by the way, guys. So it's 1 kilogram here, but it's ready in 3 minutes. And if you take a look at it, this is the cooking instructions, and obviously I probably wouldn't use butter because I don't eat dairy, but if you look here, there are the ingredients right here. So potatoes, water, it does have some wheat flour in there, so be aware of that. Rice flour, some natural flavoring. So I can't wait to try it out. It is soft to the touch, so you feel that it is soft to the touch. So I can't wait to try it out. So I'm going to cook it up and do a quick taste test. So I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, here is the gnocchi all done. As you can see, I cooked it up and I'm going to do a quick taste test. There we go. I cooked it for about 3 minutes. So there it is. Taste wise, without anything in there, like it's just water. I just boiled in water with some little bit of salt water. It doesn't taste like anything, just slightly salty. It tastes like a dough pretty much, but without any dough taste to it. So it's actually pretty good. Yeah, it's actually pretty tasty, guys. And this would go well with a whole bunch of stuff. I think like tuna and stuff like that. So definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel. And there's no weird like preservative taste to it. So